Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. This is just a quick recap about what happened. The last video was about the EGR, which supposedly did not work. In the end, the story was quite different. So that was about 2 weeks ago, and the car was only shifting up in town with 2,500 3,000 rounds per minute, which seemed to be odd. I figured something wrong with the transmission, so I went to a workshop, diagnosed the car, and it turned out the EGR is playing up. So next try, as you could see in the past video, was to clean it, clean the valve. Did not work out. Then buy a new one. I went through the internet and came to the conclusion I better buy OEM part from Mercedes. And I'll come to the cost of it later on. And as the cleaning did not really work out, it worked out for 50 kilometers. Then I installed the new part, which also worked for about 100 kilometers. Then I gave the car into the trusted hands of Mercedes, and they identified the air mass sensor as the faulty part. And as that part is rather expensive, because in this V6 you have two of those sensors and they are combined into a plastic housing, which I will show you in a second. And so they took it out and they cleaned those sensors. They are hard to get to because they're in the middle of this plastic part. And picking up the car, starting it up right in front of Mercedes, the check engine light came on again. So they reset the mistake, the error in the system. Test drive the car, worked out fine. Next day, I test drove the car for just a couple minutes. Everything was fine, and then had to go onto a longer trip. And after 25 kilometers, same issues again. No power, high revving engine because it doesn't shift properly, and check on engine light on again. Back to Mercedes, and then they decided to replace the air mass sensor, the whole unit, and that solved the problem. So yeah, all in all, it took me 2 weeks, and now after some 250 kilometers, I'm rather confident the issue is fixed. So that was the issue, and now I'm going to show you the part real quick. So let's take a look at the parts in question. EGR, cleaning didn't work, installing a new one, which was a bit fun because of the water hose connected to it. I have the invoice here, which is 280 euros as an exchange part. So actually the part is more expensive, but if you bring the part back, the old part, you get I think 50 euros back. So after a generous discount, 280 euros. Then and no fault in the OBD showing and indicating anything about the air mass sensors. Mercedes-Benz checked and invoiced me for this check 298 euros, taking this unit off. Here you see, by the way, the air filters on each side. Cleaning it, reinstalling it, 298 euros. Didn't solve the issue. Third attempt, installing a new one. By the way, you can't. You see here, can you see it? It's Bosch. It's a Bosch part. I think you can buy individual sensors, but you don't get them out of here without destroying and breaking the whole unit. So all you can do is buy this complete or you can glue it back together, I don't know. The cost of this part, after, again, a generous discount, is 639 euros, but to be taken out, put in again, and the total invoice is 971 euros. Yeah, so to fix this issue, I spent, well, 1,500 euros, roundabout. That's quite a bit. Yeah, just wanted to give you the full picture and the truth behind the issue. So, yeah, do what you want with it. That's how it went. For those guys living in Germany, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's election day in Germany today. If you haven't done so, please go out and vote today. And yeah, have a nice Sunday. See you in a bit. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.